Hello, today I'm showing you how to join the deals. Just control panel and then go down, promotions, deals, click on category deals. You can choose any deals that you like to join. For now, we have May deals. I already tried to join here. We can add more SKUs. On the left side, it will show you all the SKUs that you can add to the deal. Choose one or choose all, and then go next. You get to choose the price. The original price is 55. You can put whatever discount you would like, let's say 40. And then the deal stock, how many do you have from this piece? After finishing, you can go to submit. Then it's pending for approval. It will take time, just refresh. Enrolled. Enrolled meaning there is something we need to fix. Your price, they're giving you a recommended price. They're saying 40 is very high comparing to the similar price on the market. So they recommend you to put this price. If this price is suitable for you, just click here and then edit the recommended price, save changes. Success. We will refresh now. Voila. Have your item live. We'll have a peek how it looks on noon. Live, the old price, and this is the new price.